Hey folks, hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey, we're going to do an Instapot recipe. A great little Sammy. We're going to do sausage and pepper sandwich with some provolone. We're going to put a little spice to it. It's going to be delicious, and we're going to add some bacon. Hey, why not? You know, we can. That's next on Cooking with Corey. Stick around. Let's get this cook going. Alright, let's do some ingredients. We got some crushed red peppers. We got some dried oregano. We got our Italian fusion, or any Italian seasoning you want to use. We got some whole tomatoes in their juice, plum tomatoes. Some Rotel mild diced green tomatoes, chilies. We got some mild Italian sausage. We got 2 white onions. We got one red bell, 2 green bells, some garlic, and back here hiding leftover bacon from that last recipe. So, alright, let's get this cook rolling. What we got for Chop-O-Matic to work over today is we're going to do some just little slices of our bell pepper. 1.5 bells I decided to use, and 1 whole red pepper. Those are large. 4 slices of bacon, which we will cut into little strands or lardons. 4 big cloves of garlic right here, which will be chopped, and 1.5 yellow, white, whatever onions you have. Those will be cut into half moons, so we'll go around like this. Alright, Chop-O-Matic next. Alright, Chop-O-Matic's been through all his work. He did a good job. So we got our bacon and our garlic there. Little strips or lardons of bacon. I don't know what I call them, but strips. Just call them strips. Delicious looking, and our minced garlic, and then our peppers and our delicious white onion. Just in strips. Doesn't have to be perfect. Doesn't have to be perfect at all. And next we're gonna get going. There's our sausage. We're gonna get going on the Instapot next. Let's start cooking this. Won't be long. All right, let's get saute going on our Instapot. So we will hit saute. We aren't gonna need it for 30 minutes, but let's just turn it down just a little bit. Let's go down to 15. Let's hit start. Alright, preheating. Let's get some stuff going next. Alright, let's get started with our sausage first. Just put a little olive oil in the bottom. And what we're doing is trying to get some browning on the ends, get those looking delicious and such. So we got that going on in our delicious Instapot. So let's move that around a little bit, make sure it's all even, going everywhere before we put in our sausages, our mild sausages right here, and we're gonna brown these. So I really don't want to crowd it. I'm hoping I can get all these in there without, and I'm probably gonna crowd it. I am gonna crowd it. Let's just put it that way. It's gonna happen. I'm gonna crowd it. All right, so let's move these around here a little bit, and let's get this one over here. All right. What we're gonna do, we're gonna brown these off. Then we're gonna get our bacon in there. Then we're gonna get our veg in there. Then we're gonna combine everything with our sauce. Oh, it's gonna be delish. All right, our sausages are sauteing. Looking good, looking delicious. I think they're ready to flip. So let's see what color we got on those. Look at that. Some great color on there. Let's go ahead and flip them over. What we got going on here in the pan. What I'm going to do is flip these all over. I'm going to give them another minute. Probably 3 to 4 minutes. And I'm going to pull those out. And we'll start our the rest of the delicious food. Our bacon, our peppers, our onions, and all that greatness. Okay, here we look good. I'm gonna pull these out, is what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna pull, look at this nicely brown deliciousness there. I'm gonna pull those all out. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour out, there's not a lot of fat in here, so I'm probably just gonna, I don't know, I might save a little bit, but we're gonna get the bacon going next and go on with that. I might wipe this out a little bit and get it going. Okay, so I did pull the sausages out. I did wipe this out. And the only reason I wiped that out is because I am putting bacon in it. So, you know, I want the bits of bacon to get onto the bottom here rather than the sausage. This right in here is the fat of the sausage right there. So we're gonna add our bacon and get that going next. All right, we are heating up, but it's time to add some goodness to our Instapot here. So let's add our bacon here. Get that going down there in the bottom. And what we're gonna do, we're just gonna let that render down. We're gonna use some of that delicious bacon fat to saute our sausage, our peppers, and our onions, and our garlic. But we gotta render down. All right, everybody, as you can see, our bacon is going crispy, deliciousness, just like we like. Let's take our paper towel here, fold it over with our tongs. Let's get in there and just get some of that fat out of there. And we need to move fast here. We don't want to burn our bacon. All right, we got most of that fat out of there. Let's hit it with just a smidge of water. There we go. Did that smoke you guys out? It probably did. Don't worry. You'll come back here. You'll come back here. It's coming back. Alright, so we're taking a little bit of that off the bottom. Our bacon's getting nice and crispy. Looking good. Take your spatula. Like so. Make sure it's a good spatula. And get everything off of the bottom there. All right, we deglazed and you got steamed, but we're taking everything off the bottom here. Look at that. Looking all good in the neighborhood. Look at that. Oh, well, that delicious crispy bacon going on in there. And we got some decent amount of fat in there. Just add our onions and our peppers to the mix here. Get that all in there. Like so. Just awesome. Alright, let me just toss. It's gonna leach out some water. It's gonna help our bacon to not burn. And we're gonna let this go a couple minutes. Alright, as you can see, our peppers, our bacon, and our onions are getting nice and wilty. It's a good time to add our garlic into that equation. So here goes our garlic into that equation. Get that going in there. Get that nice and tasty going on in there. Get that starting to switch around in there. Getting that cooked. Getting that melted. We got our pepper flakes right here. So let's do a tablespoon of pepper flakes all around in there. We got our dried oregano. Actually, let's put 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of oregano in there. Our Italian fusion, or your whatever your Italian seasoning. Hefty tablespoon of that in there. Give that a nice stir. Start getting that melded together. And that's getting ready for our tomato sauce. Let that garlic cook just a little bit. Our tomato sauce, I took that 28-ounce can of plum tomatoes, and I crushed them in my hand. Those are going to go into the equation right there, along with our Rotel. 1 can of Rotel. If you want it spicier, you use spicier. I do like spicy, that's why there's a lot of pepper flakes. Juice and all, get it in there. Alright, we're gonna let this saute for 5 minutes. We're gonna rest our sausages on it. Okay, I just canceled saute, so we're done with saute here. Got the lid started to rest on here. So what we want to do is we want to go to pressure cook now. So I'm gonna hit pressure cook, and we obviously want custom. So on mine, we're gonna hit the button there, and we're gonna custom this for 10 minutes, and we're gonna lock and close the lid up top like so, which we did, and we're gonna hit start. It's gonna build pressure, and we'll see you in 10 minutes when this deliciousness is done. All right, this vent it. Don't get your hand over this. Bad situation. Keep it over here. If not, if you have one of the older ones, use a wooden spatula or something like that. Here we go. Alright, just unleash this bad boy and see what we got. It took probably 5 minutes for the pressure release. So let's turn her off and look at that deliciousness we got right there. I mean, come on. Look at that yumminess. Oh. Let's plate it up next. Alright, are we ready to build this sandwich? I hope we are, because I mean, I am ready to build this sandwich. 3 slices of provolone will go down into the crevice of our sandwich like that. Nice 3 slices. Let's get us a nice length of our Italian sausage. That will go into there. And then let's fish us out some peppers and onions. As we can, and what I like to do first is let's do this. Let's do another layer. 3 slices of provolone. All right, here it comes, guys. Here it comes. All right, use your tongue. All over that. Don't cheat yourself. Make sure you get plenty on there. Now, is that a delicious looking sandwich, or is that a delicious looking sandwich? We got a little bit of lead off. Let's add some delicious, hot, spicy pickled veg to it right there. Let's add some delicious blue cheese stuffed olives. And you know what? Nothing's complete without a pepperoncini. Alright guys, there you got it. There's my Italian sausage and pepper Sammy. It's gonna be delicious. Let's cut into it next. Take a bite, see what we think. Hey everybody, we cut it in half, and I think we got it going on here. There we are. Take a look at that deliciousness right there. All right, looks good. I had to look, make sure it's going. All right, let's take a bite. Garlicky. Oh god, a little spice. Delicious. There you go. You guys need to try that sucker out yourself. That is one heck of a little Sammy. Make good for a Super Bowl. Or any occasion. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click on record on YouTube. Make this Trust me, make this freaking delicious. Sorry, I keep looking over there. All right, we'll see you next week on Cooking with Corey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.